Imagine this. Every time you smile, you're showcasing not just your pearly whites, but also an unwanted guest, plaque. Now, this isn't a pleasant thought, is it? Plaque, this sticky, colorless film of bacteria, makes itself at home on our teeth and gums, causing a multitude of dental issues, from cavities to gum diseases. Traditional dental care methods, while effective, often fall short of completely eradicating plaque. They may also contain harsh chemicals that could potentially harm our oral health in the long run. This leaves us in a bit of a pickle, doesn't it? We need a solution that's not only effective, but also natural, gentle, and sustainable. Well, guess what? Such a solution does exist. Mother Nature, in her infinite wisdom, has provided us with a potent trio of ingredients that can effectively combat plaque. But worry no more, because nature has a secret weapon to help us combat this unseen enemy. Enter the power-packed trio: neem, clove, and tea tree oil. This formidable combination is the secret to our amazing plaque-annihilating remedy. But what makes these three so special? Let's dive in. First up, we have neem. For centuries, this wonder herb has been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its impressive range of medicinal properties. It's a powerful antimicrobial agent that can help combat harmful bacteria in the mouth, contributing to a reduction in plaque. Whether in the form of powder or oil, neem is a force to be reckoned with in our fight against plaque. Next, we have cloves. Much more than a popular spice, cloves are a powerhouse of health benefits. They're packed with antioxidants and have strong antimicrobial properties. When it comes to oral health, the antibacterial nature of cloves can help fight off oral infections and reduce plaque. Ground cloves or clove oil, either way, you're adding a potent weapon to your plaque-fighting arsenal. Last but not least, we introduce tea tree oil. This essential oil is well known for its powerful antiseptic properties, making it a common ingredient in natural oral care products. Just a few drops of this potent oil can help fight off bacteria and fungi, contributing to a healthier mouth and less plaque. But these three aren't going solo. They're teaming up, complementing each other to form a supercharged plaque-busting mixture. Neem brings its potent antimicrobial properties to the table, clove adds its antibacterial prowess, and tea tree oil rounds it off with its strong antiseptic attributes. Together, these three form a potent mixture that can help you say goodbye to plaque. But remember, this isn't a magic potion that works overnight. Consistency is key. Make this natural remedy a part of your daily oral care routine, and you might just start seeing amazing results. So are you ready to meet this power-packed trio? Stay tuned, because up next, we're showing you how to prepare this potent mixture and how to apply it for maximum results. Together, let's embark on this journey towards a plaque-free, healthier mouth. Now let's create our magic potion. The power lies in three humble ingredients: neem, clove, and tea tree oil. Each one is a powerhouse in its own right, but together, they form a formidable trio against plaque. First, you'll need 1 teaspoon of either neem powder or neem oil. Neem, a staple in Ayurvedic medicine, is renowned for its antimicrobial properties. It's the perfect ally to help combat plaque. Add this to a small bowl. Next, introduce 1 teaspoon of ground cloves or clove oil to the mix. Cloves, beyond their rich, warm aroma, are packed with antibacterial properties, making them an excellent addition to our plaque-fighting potion. But we're not done yet. It's time to add the final touch: 5 drops of tea tree oil. This oil, with its powerful antiseptic properties, completes our trio, adding an extra layer of defense against plaque. Now, blend these ingredients together, creating a mixture potent enough to challenge even the most stubborn plaque. If you're using oils, you'll notice they combine to form a powerful liquid solution. If you've opted for the powder form, you'll have a fine, aromatic blend. At this point, you may find the mixture a tad strong or concentrated. If so, don't fret. You have the option of adding a carrier oil. A tablespoon of coconut oil works wonders. Not only does it dilute the mixture, but it also gives you a paste-like consistency, making the application process a breeze. Stir your mixture well until you achieve a smooth, even paste. The transformation is almost magical. What was once a collection of individual ingredients is now a unified, potent, plaque-fighting paste. Before you know it, you'll be holding in your hands a concoction that's ready to go to battle against plaque. It's a testament to the power of nature, a reminder that sometimes the most effective remedies are the simplest ones. And voila, your all-natural plaque-busting paste is ready to use. This is more than just a paste. It's your ticket to a healthier, cleaner mouth and a brighter smile. It's proof that nature holds the keys to wellness, and it's time we use them. Ready to see it in action? Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to use a clean toothbrush or a small applicator to apply the paste directly to your teeth and gums. This isn't just a quick swipe and rinse type of deal. You really want to take your time with this. Gently brush your teeth and massage your gums with the paste for 2 to 3 minutes. Why so long, you ask? Well, it's important to make sure every nook and cranny of your mouth gets some love from this magical blend. And speaking of love, you'll want to pay extra attention to areas with plaque buildup. These stubborn spots could use a little extra help from our natural trio. Now, once you've given your teeth and gums a thorough brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water. You should feel a refreshing cleanliness and possibly a slight tingling sensation thanks to the tea tree oil. Repeat this process twice daily, preferably after brushing your teeth with your regular toothpaste. Consistency is key here. Like any good habit, this needs to become part of your daily routine. But here's the good news. It won't take long to start seeing results. While individual experiences may differ, many users report noticeable improvements in their oral health in as little as 1 week. Imagine that. In just 7 days, you could be on your way to a cleaner, healthier mouth with noticeably less plaque. All thanks to the power of nature's secret weapons: neem, clove, and tea tree oil. Remember, this is not just about having a beautiful smile. It's about empowering yourself to take control of your oral health using the gifts of nature. It's about breaking free from the cycle of plaque buildup and embracing a healthier, cleaner mouth. So, are you ready to bid farewell to plaque-ridden teeth? Are you ready to embrace a smile that stuns the world? With this all-natural remedy, you're not just brushing your teeth, you're rewriting the rules of dental care forever. With regular use, you'll start seeing amazing results in just 1 week. Before you rush off to try this, there are a few things to keep in mind. This natural paste is no doubt a powerful tool against plaque, but it's not a silver bullet. It's crucial to keep up with good oral hygiene habits, like regular brushing, flossing, and annual dental checkups. Our bodies are unique, and while these ingredients are generally safe, there might be adverse reactions or irritation for some. If this happens, don't hesitate to discontinue use and consult a healthcare professional. As for storage, you may find yourself with some leftover paste. Don't let it go to waste. Scoop it into an airtight container and store it in a cool, dry place. But remember, freshness is key. So make sure to discard any unused mixture after 1 week to ensure its potency. Remember, while this paste is a potent ally in your fight against plaque, it does not replace regular dental checkups. So, are you ready to embark on this journey towards a cleaner, healthier smile? Imagine no more hiding your smile or worrying about the unseen enemy that is plaque. With the power of neem, clove, and tea tree oil, you're not just fighting plaque, you're annihilating it. This isn't just about oral health. This is about confidence, about the joy of a radiant smile. This is about embracing a natural approach to wellness. It's time to put the magic potion to the test. Go ahead, prepare the paste, apply it, and let nature do its work. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a part of your daily routine and watch the transformation unfold. Share your journey with us. We want to hear about your experiences, your triumphs, and even your challenges. After all, we're in this together. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell, and check out our other videos. Until next time, keep smiling and keep shining.